And it's here. Oh, only 18.8 million pieces of Temp-tations have been picked up and loved and adored by you in the past. Do you love Temp-tations? Well, this is your night to call, to share your story with Tara Tesher, and to share your brand new opportunity to pick up the Floral Lace or the Old World 20-piece Basketweave Dinnerware set. Lots of important words there. Basketweave being one of them. The hottest category within Temp-tations. It's three-dimensional now, and haven't done a dinnerware set today special value in over 3 years. Look at those adorable new pieces. Look at the price. Realize it's about $4 and change per piece. Are you kidding? We're not kidding. For 5 easy payments of $17.40. Without further ado, here comes Tara.
Well, hello.
That is
with my
adorable.
Gorgeous brand new parfait cups. I love that.
What
How
are
you?
Called?
So these are our pedestal mugs or parfait cups. There's just 4 pieces in this beautiful dinnerware set of over 20 individually hand-painted sculptural pieces.
Well, look at
that
what
I'm going to show you.
Look at what we have here in our shot. I mean, happy Easter.
Yes.
In time for Passover. Get ready, get set, and ready to wow not only your friends and family for Easter and for the holidays, but holidays and every day.
That's
this is
right.
Temp-tations,
That's
right?
right. Every day to holiday. So everything you've been collecting from Temp-tations is the same here. The fact that all of these pieces will go in the oven up to 500 degrees. All of them will go in the dishwasher when you want to clean them. Your fine china in the dishwasher?
Yes.
Yep, we got you covered. They're going to go in the microwave, and they're going to go in the fridge and the freezer, which I love.
It's great to have you here.
It's great to be here.
So,
Are you kidding?
again, inviting you in, but I will tell you right off the top, we're going to go through what the choices are here in just a second, but here are the actual pieces you're going to be getting. It's really unique, as is the pattern.
Yeah, and we've been calling it National Basketweave Day today because I have to tell you, we have taken the best of the best from Old World and Floral Lace, and we've made it three-dimensional. We've made it sculptural. So you can hear my nails run right here because there's actually a Basketweave background.
We're coming in for that shot.
Where it's actually got a beautiful tea stain.
It comes.
Yep. Then, of course, that gorgeous layer of Floral Lace or Old World, the brown beading, layer upon layer of sculptural detail and all individual hand painting.
Meaning it is not flat. It is not,
right.
Just a stamp. Look at that. That is literally a three-dimensional pattern that is built in within this. It's absolutely gorgeous. And it's a wonderful way to update. And here is what you are going to be getting.
So you're going to, first of all, this beautiful coupe shape. I love the fact that, again, if you have gravies, if you have everything, you're going to want to stay put. Look at how beautiful that is. So 4 of your 10-inch dinner plates.
Complete serving for 4.
Love that. Look at, then layer upon layer. Notice how, again, that basket weave then takes over that. 4 of your 7-inch dessert plates.
Great.
Or salad plates. 4 of your 5.5-inch bread plates. Again, there you can see that tea staining, individually hand painting, beading that runs around the edges. 4 of our 16-ounce bowls. Notice not only do you have that dimension on the outside, but now take a peek, you have the hand painting there on the inside as well. And I always love to say the little surprise inside. And then debuting today, I love this, in the 17 years that we've been here, in the almost 19 million sets that we have shared with all of you, we have never done a parfait cup or a pedestal cup, as we love to call it. So many uses for this 4 8-ounce pedestal cups. The debut in our Temp-tations collection.
The debut in the Temp-tations collection.
Love that.
And if you want to break this down, should I do the math for you? I will. That is $4 and change. $4 and change. So you can't get, cheap whiteware for that kind of price.
No, you
Here's
can't.
what we need to do. Not only invite you in, what pattern do you have here?
So this is our blue floral lace. So we have seasonal. We have our core colors, of course, the ones that you love to collect all the time.
The ultimate classic.
That gorgeous blue floral lace, always super popular. And Rick, as we mentioned, this is the only order of the year.
Yep.
So if you're picking up and you want multiple sets, I just want you to know if you want service for 8 or service for 12, then you're going to want to do it today.
But if you do want to do it today, and many people are picking up more than one, let me clarify this too. With the only order of the year, we're going to go through the seasonal patterns right now. It's midnight. Midnight may be your only hour, I'll repeat, only hour, where all of the seasonal patterns are all available because we have very limited quantities in these seasonal patterns. I'm just letting you know right off the top. And here is number 1 reason why you don't want to wait. That's why.
Exactly. Exactly. So this is our old world, and this is our egg hunt.
Egg hunt.
So look how
800
beautiful.
lucky people can have it right now at midnight, and then it is gone.
And we know many of you pick up 2 or 3 sets because you want service for 8 or service for 12, but all the pastel detail, all the individual hand painting, stunning. Beneath that is what we call our spring fetti. This is also in our old world collection. That takes kind of like our confetti, but it takes all of our pastel colors and mixes it together in spring fetti.
700 can be had.
What?
Only order of the year on that one. Here we go. What's next?
Okay, so here we have ocean fetti, your lime greens, your purples. I love, again, that pop of purple that we're able to carry all of these individual colors
Is that
in
not
this gorgeous
beachy
set.
and fun and screaming?
Right?
Look at that
coastal.
color.
It's coastal.
It is totally coastal.
Yes.
By the way, 700 can be had here. The reason being, we made this available with a little email. You made it available on air, online, excuse me. So we're very limited in some of these, and pop up here if you would.
So this is floral lace, and this is our summer pattern. The summer pattern has those shell details. So you're seeing a lot of teal, but when you come in tight, you'll be able to see there's shells, all of that hand painting layer upon layer, the tea staining first of the basket, the application then of the pattern, the hand painting of that color, the beading as well. There's so many steps and stages that go into painting just one piece, and the fact that they're a little over $4 is incredible.
Can we get into summer now?
So
what
I
do we
love
got
that.
Here?
Summertime entertaining. Let's talk fireworks. So in our floral lace, I love, again, the pop of the red, white, and blue.
Love it.
There you see that gorgeous tea staining.
Yeah.
And underneath here, we have what we call our firework fetti. So whether you're picking up firework fetti, maybe picking them up both and mixing and matching, I'm telling you, these pieces are stunning. It's dinnerware that you don't have to baby, that you can put through all the paces like you do with your traditional Temp-tations pieces.
800 lucky people can have that one, the fire fetti. What do you have
So
here?
here we finish out our seasonal colors. This is what we call our spring. That's a dainty butterfly detail with, of course, that gorgeous lavender and the kiwi green that you see trimming it. Absolutely stunning.
Okay, now let's
Now
get
let's talk
in
floral lace.
to the classic.
Okay,
and
let's
now
do
we're going to
it.
start with floral lace. Again, if you're a big fan, come on in. $4 and change per piece. The reason we don't have a retail value is we couldn't find one. There is no other brand that does that combination of three-dimensional, of Basketweave, of hand painting, of that kind of weight and that kind of quality for that kind of price. Let's keep going.
Okay, so here we start with our floral lace. This is going to be our eggplant. So again, that purple, that beautiful melted, I always call it like a grapey ice pop. And then if you're interested in the blues, we wanted to show you 2 of the blues that we have together. Here we have our classic floral lace blue. That's what we were showing you here. And underneath there, we have what we call our light blue. So depending on what you collect, you can see both of those colors there.
Great.
Then we move over to our other classics, our reds. We always love to put them side by side to show you. This is that true kitchen red. Floral lace red is always super popular. Again, I love the fact that you have all of that sculptural detail. I'll show you more. And then above that, we have our cranberry. So a little softer, more muted in tone.
But with all those other colors, what we're also noticing is that basket weaves really the central part of this, right?
Absolutely.
Stunning. Okay.
Yes. Then we have over here our black in floral lace. And I always say that to me looks like toile. I love that we left the dinner plate alone so that you can cut things inside there. And then you pop the other pieces alongside. Below that is going to be our green. We talk about Temp-tations being a family of colors. Whether it's old world or floral lace, there's your gorgeous green.
With 25 colors to go through, here we go.
Here, of course, is going to be your chocolate. So in that floral lace, that's that beautiful tone on tone of your browns. And above that is going to be your spice. So when you're thinking of autumnal colors or you're thinking about things you want to go ahead and mix and match, that's going to be a perfect color. So those are your floral lace options.
Now, the Domeyer family has the old world and has had old world, by the way, for years and years and
green,
years.
I think, right?
And green,
Yes.
indeed. But we don't have the basket weave. So what an incredible time and opportunity to upgrade and now get the dinnerware set.
That's right. So look at this classic green in Old World. These will match back perfectly with everything you've already been collecting in your Old World or your floral lace. There's your green. Take a look at this gorgeous cobalt blue. Remember, they're hand painted on the inside as well as all of the sculptural detail and painting on the outside. Here's your eggplant, a little grapey. Look how perfect that pop of color is there. You really can see the detail. Then we have confetti. This is what I collect. So if you can't decide whether you want green, blue, or eggplant, how about picking up confetti because it mixes and matches all of those colors?
No, we're just showing you a sampling, by the way. You're getting complete service for 4. It's a 20-piece set. Very important to point out, and many people are already getting the service for 8 or doubling this at this kind of price.
So here, of course, is your red. That's your classic kitchen red. Love that. And then your cranberry is going to be a little softer, more muted in tone. And I love, again, the brush strokes that you can see here, the detail of all the hand painting. Here's your black. I love that this in Basketweave actually makes this pattern look very modern.
It really does.
I love that look. Then, of course, we finish out with our brown, always neutral, always one of those great gifts if you're thinking about gifting, and great wedding gifts. And then, of course, at the very end, we have our spice.
Okay.
Absolutely beautiful.
As you're shopping now, and many people are, about 500 people, again, when it comes to the seasonal, get it all now, only order the year, but seasonal especially, midnight, a great time to do this. Now, this is what sets it apart. Take a look at some footage here and how this is done. Nowhere else but QVC can you do this.
So here's what I love. When you have a sculptural piece, it actually creates a roadmap for the artisans to then go and hand paint. So that was the tea staining you saw. Now you actually can see with brushes them applying the details, the 5-dot flowers, with a paintbrush, the actual petal detail. Think about the workmanship that goes into each piece. One piece itself can take upwards of 4 to 5 hours to paint, which is so incredible because you have the layer upon layer of that detail. And then what I love, after all of that's done, we actually come through with another paintbrush, we apply another layer, and we do that beading, which we then go ahead and rub with a sponge because, again, it pops that beading and gives it that true look of a basket. I designed this after my grandmother's piece that she had, that we had at every meal, whether it was breakfast, lunch, or dinner. If we were eating at Grandma's, she had this basket, and I wanted to create it in our sculptural detail. Never did I think it would turn out this stunning.
Look at
the overall color on the inside.
That's one bowl.
That's right.
One bowl.
That's the bowl you see the artichoke in.
It costs $100 to do one bowl.
Yes.
It's $4 per piece. This becomes jewelry for your table.
I love that.
And it's not meant to just be looked at and enjoyed and put in a curio cabinet. You put your artichoke in there.
That's
you put your oatmeal. You put your cereal in there. It's meant to be used. Dishwasher safe, freezer safe. You can reheat this in the oven. You can put it in the air fryer.
Yeah, I'm going to show you so many different things.
If you want to. You got to get on the line now. What do you have here, Tara?
So here's what I want to show was just the fact that it's really casual too. We showed you a holiday table, but these are the pieces you're going to use breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You know, bakeware you use not every meal, but your dinnerware you're eating off of, right? So I love the fact that you can put this through the paces. You don't have to worry about these pieces. These are thick stoneware pieces that are sculptural. Listen to that. When you think about the workmanship, there's the beading that she was just rubbing with that sponge. There's the tea staining that we're talking about. There's the layering of the floral lace detail. Even the rim is then individually hand painted. Each piece for a little over $4 when you think that this can go in the oven up to 500 degrees and I can actually reheat my pizza, or I can put this in the microwave and I can put it in the dishwasher when I want to clean it, or the fridge in the freezer. This is what makes Temp-tations so special.
5 easy payments of $17.40. So what pieces are we getting again?
I could show these pieces all day.
Call in again if you already are one of the, millions and millions of people who haven't loved Temp-tations. 1-800-395-1601. This is first dinnerware set in 3 years. First time Basketweave set. We've never done a Today's Special Value with this Basketweave story and these pieces, and they're large and they're beautifully made.
They are. And again, it's about that silhouette too. The fact that you have that open interior here. So when you're cutting your steaks, you don't have to worry about the pattern getting in the way. Yet you have that gorgeous border that runs around. 4 of your dinner plates.
So let's just spread these out and say, look, check out how many pieces you are going to be getting here.
I'm going to actually put it behind it if we want to really show how many pieces we have.
And
so 4 of your 7-inch.
But wait, there's more.
Salad or dessert plates. 4 of your 16-ounce bowls.
Almost 1,000 people are shopping right now. In the moment, your opportunity is here.
I'm telling you, you guys are going to absolutely love this. And I always say you're not going to get it until you get it. Once you get these pieces home and you start using them, I always say you can eat on us for 30 days, right? You can get it at home. You can say, you know, I've been watching this, I've been listening to it, but what is it all about? These are those pieces. I designed this collection, Temp-tations, over 17 years ago because family time and mealtime was so important in my home. And whether it was breakfast, it was lunch, it was dinner, we were sitting together much like this as a family, where the table was beautifully set, where the food was thoughtfully cared for. Even if it's takeout, the dishes actually became the excuse to get everybody back around the table because kids said, wow, Mommy, is company coming? Everything looks so fancy. No, company's not coming. It's just for us.
Yeah.
Or you know what? We hear it inspires people to cook again.
You know what special day it is?
What special day?
Wednesday night, pizza night. Why not bring out your Temp-tations?
Right.
Why not bring out the good dinnerware? Many people getting more than one set. I'm getting 4 of the
10-inch dinner plates.
I'm getting 4 of the
7-inch salad or dessert plates.
4 of the
5.5-inch bread plates.
4 of the
16-ounce bowls.
And how about
and debuting today, these beautiful parfait cups, 8 ounces. But don't just think about parfait, Rick. How about thinking about ice cream sundaes?
Keep it going.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How about thinking about a little crudité?
How about the fruit
that?
cup?
How about a little fruit cup? Because